Ever sent money on Venmo and then found yourself staring at your bank account, wondering, where is it? It's a common question, and one that gets asked a lot. You've successfully paid your friend back for dinner, but now you need to get that money out of your Venmo balance and into your actual bank account. So, how long does that process actually take? The answer depends on which transfer method you choose. First, let's talk about the free option, the standard transfer. This is Venmo's default method for moving money from your account to your bank. When you initiate a standard transfer, Venmo uses the Automated Clearinghouse, or ACH network. This is the same system that banks use for things like direct deposit. These transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. A key thing to remember here is business days. Weekends and U.S. bank holidays don't count, so if you send a transfer on a Friday, it might not hit your account until Tuesday or Wednesday of the following week. This option is great if you're not in a rush and want to save on fees. Now, for when you need that money right now. That's where the instant transfer comes in. This method is a lifesaver when you're in a pinch. With an instant transfer, your money can arrive in your linked bank account or debit card, typically within 30 minutes. The trade-off for this speed is a fee. Venmo charges a fee of 1.75% of the transfer amount, with a minimum fee of 25 cents and a maximum of $25. This fee is automatically deducted from the amount you are transferring, so you don't have to worry about a separate charge. So, to summarize, a standard transfer is free but can take up to 3 business days, while an instant transfer is fast, taking less than 30 minutes, but it comes with a small fee. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.